Hey, Amazon seller. I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon Lightning Deals. Let's do this. If you are following along from my screen, we're going to explore how to effectively use Amazon's Lightning Deals to boost your sales. Let's get started. Amazon's Lightning Deals are time-bound promotions that feature products with special merchandising, such as a deals badge for a limited number of hours, typically lasting between 4 to 12 hours as determined by Amazon. These deals can significantly increase sales and reduce your inventory. To create a Lightning Deal, you need a professional selling account on Amazon, log into Seller Central, navigate to Advertising in the burger icon menu, and choose Deals. Here's how to create a Lightning Deal. Click on Create a New Deal. Select a product from your inventory, set the deal schedule and discount, review and submit your deal. Amazon requires Lightning Deals to meet specific criteria, including a minimum discount and limited availability. Deals must be approved by Amazon before going live. To qualify for Lightning Deals, you must have a professional selling account with an overall rating of at least 4 stars. If you're not yet a professional seller, consider upgrading to access these promotions. Using Lightning Deals effectively can enhance your product's visibility and drive sales on Amazon. That's it. Leveraging Amazon's Lightning Deals can be a powerful strategy to increase your sales quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com, like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.